my channel, The Lifestyle with Laura, and on today's video, I'll show you how I made these beautiful Christmas ornaments. They're so quick and easy to make. Let's get started. These are the items that I'm using today. Mod Podge, 2 different types of clear ornaments, the Christmas stickers, scissors, brush, paper, ribbon, snow, the small Christmas trees, and my glue gun. I'm going to take this clear Christmas ornament and remove the little top on it. And I want to put this Christmas tree on the inside. So let me go ahead and I'll take my hot glue gun and put some hot glue on it. I'm gonna use my scissors a little bit, not to push too hard down, but to help guide this in. I just have to push it through. And I want to get it down to the center. And I'm going to let that just set up. See if I can straighten it just a little bit. And the Christmas tree will be in like this. And then I'm going to take my Mod Podge and put just a little bit. Let me use a little bit. I don't need too much. I'm going to go ahead and go in real easy and just get Mod Podge around here. And remember, when the Mod Podge dries, it will dry clear. So I want to put this in so I can add my snow. And try to get around that tree. All up on here. Everywhere that you want snow, try to get some of that Mod Podge. It's okay if some get on the tree. So you can get a little bit on the top of that wood part. Okay, let me grab my snow. Just roll it around. And we're just going to put the extra back. Then I can go ahead and put this little cap back on here. Just like that. that anymore. And I'm going to go ahead and I'll take off a few of these stickers and add to my project. This is just a really quick way to do a Christmas ornament. And just see where you want to place your sticker. You can do one sticker, or you can do 2 stickers. It's really up to you how many you want to put on here. We just need to get it on here and flatten it out. Just smooth it out. I'm going to put 2 on here. We'll have a Mr. and a Mrs. And this is the quick Christmas ornament. And this is our first ornament. I just added the green ribbon to it. And let's go ahead and work on our second ornament. We'll go ahead and take this off the top piece. And again, we'll go in with the Mod Podge to make our snow stick. Just add your Mod Podge where you want the snow to go. And we'll add a snowman to this one also. But I'll just put 1 snowman on this one. And let's add a little bit of snow. See if I can get this a little bit better. We'll just shake this around and get it on that glue. And then I'll pour the excess back into the bag. Now you just put as much as you want on here. The more snow you want, the more Mod Podge you'll need to put on here. Let's put this excess back in. That back out of the way. And then let's get another snowman. I think I want to do this one with this peppermint. So let me see if I can get him out. All right. And then we'll just find where we want to place it. Place it on. I'm trying to get it pretty centered. And then you want to flatten it out. Now let's see, some other pieces on here I think I'll use. Let's take a few more pieces and add on this one. I'll put it over here. And let's do, so we have a peppermint over there. We can add another, let's add a little Christmas box. And we'll add this on here. Oh, let's place it right over here. And you just pull off the stickers that you want. This is what it's looking like. I'm going to go ahead and put the little cap back on. It's really easy to put on. And how about, let's do a star. Get this up. Right, let's add a star to it. I'll put this star over here. Okay, and I have another ribbon cut out. And I need to make this one shorter. Let me cut some of this off. And then I'll go ahead and add some hot glue to it. See if that's enough. And just let it stick. And this is what this ornament looks like. And I'll just give this glue time to stick. This was just 2 quick ways to make some Christmas ornaments. The ornaments turned out beautiful. Thank you for watching my channel, The Lifestyle with Laura. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.